Never sit at this place in an airplane. Actually, in 2012, a Boeing 727 plane was crashed intentionally for a TV show. Although this crash was just for a TV show, they had placed a dummy in place of a human being inside the plane to see. Which part is the safest in such a situation when a plane crashes? They found that the passengers who sit in the front die in plane crashes, and the passengers who sit in the middle get seriously injured, and their lives are saved. The passengers who sit at the back are much safer than the rest, because when a plane crashes, the force reduces as we move to the back, due to which there is not much damage to the back side.